Let me share with you guys on how to share a YouTube link on a Facebook page story. Take note that in personal Facebook profile story, link button is not yet available. This is a short tutorial, so please stay tuned. Hey guys, this is me, Teresa of AviThereseTalk. Welcome back to my channel. First thing we need to do is to prepare a Facebook post for story. For example, you wanna create a Facebook story regarding on one of your video on your YouTube channel. I prepared one here. Let's go to the YouTube app and copy the link of the video that we wanna share. In my case, I wanna share this one. In order to copy the link, tap on the share button, then copy link. Let's go to the Facebook app. So I just want to switch in one of my Facebook page. And then let's create a story. Tap on the create story. Then get the image that you prepared or the image you want to use. And then here on the arrow down, click on that. You can see here the link button. Tap on that and then enter link. Let's paste the link that we copied before and then click the add button. Okay, you can also add music if you want, but in this tutorial, no need to add music. Tap on share. You yourself, guys, can't able to see the link you've added, but viewers can. Let me show you. I have here my other account. Then let's search for my story. This one, this is the story that I've shared. Click on that. You can see here, guys, see more. As you can see, guys, you will be redirected to the link of the YouTube video. So did you enjoy this short tutorial so far? Hope this helps, guys. If you do, please comment down below if you have any questions. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Click the bell icon so I can see you again on my next tutorial. God bless everyone. Bye.